You've asked for more good vocal warm-ups of various lengths, so I thought I'd aim for a 10-minute warm-up today. We are here with both Sven and Olaf. Let's jump right in. Take a moment to bring your attention to your natural alignment and natural breathing. Release any tension that doesn't serve you. Let's take a lip trill up and down 5 notes. If that doesn't work for you, you can sing on a v sound. Make sure to keep this smooth. It's more like going up and down a hill than stairs. We'll sing and go. Next, let's think of sighing ha while we sing saw. We will sing saw and go. Focusing now on efficiency and a clean onset, let's sing E, 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 E. We're aiming for a clean onset that's neither glottal nor aspirate. Here we go. E, 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 E. E, 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 E. Nicely done. Thinking now about a focused sound, let's sing on ming, ming, ming. We'll sing the following pattern. Ming, 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 ming. Here we go. Ming, 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 ming. 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 This next exercise gives us excellent efficiency and energy and allows us to build our chest voice, which will then eventually work into a lighter register. Let's sing on E-A like this. E-A and go. E-A. will sing zing, 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 zing. Go, zing, 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 zing. 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 Now as we sing, zooey, ooey, 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 we will focus on a consistent start and nimble pronunciation. Here we go. Zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. 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 Moving on now to a major triad arpeggio, we will sing mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. Here we go. Mi, me, ma. 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 Nice job. Now let's sing on the sound nu. We will bring this down like nu. Here we go. Working now on a little bit more flexibility, we're going to sing on money, 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 mo. Here's the pattern. Money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Very good. And finally today, let's move to a full octave with the words I sigh to sing, really focusing on this open resonance. It sounds like this. I sigh to sing. Here we go. I sigh to sing. I sigh to sing. I sigh to I sigh to sing. 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 And a big sigh down. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick 10-minute warm-up. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with a friend. I will see you next time. We're here with Svenny today. Say hi. Or don't.